Hi, my name is Rhea and I'm a postgraduate student studying data science at the LSE. Undoubtedly, one of the best things about being a student here is getting access to the various career and professional development opportunities offered by the LSE, which are immensely valuable and will help you in your future endeavors. I thought it would be a good idea to tell you about some of these resources so that you can fully explore and utilize them in your own time. Some of these include attending workshops, seminars, and networking events organized by the school and by its various academic departments. For example, LSE Careers has organized multiple career fairs in which representatives from various companies are invited to give insights about their business and their open roles. These career fairs offer the opportunity to connect with professionals and also potential employers in the field of your interest. On the LSE Careers page, you can browse through information on a range of career topics from job applications to employment sectors to further study. LSE Careers also provides services for CV and cover letter reviews. Firstly, all students have access to the digital platform Career Set, which uses AI-based technology to give you feedback on your resume and cover letter. You can also upload a job description and find out how to tailor your CV to the specific role based on keywords and skills. Secondly, you can also book appointments with career consultants at the LSE to receive more tips. I had booked appointments wherein I received a thorough review of my CV as well as my cover letter. The personal feedback helped me understand what to add and what to delete from my CV, how to cater my CV to the industry that I'm targeting, and I also received guidance tailored to my career aspirations. Apart from this, if you have an upcoming interview from a company, you can book a practice interview on the LSE Career Hub, which will help you feel more confident about your preparation. Students also get access to online skill building tools like Graduates First, which is a platform that offers practice in a wide range of job application essentials like aptitude tests, video interviews, assessment centers, etc. And also Case Coach, which offers online preparation courses for consulting applications and case interviews. Further, don't underestimate the power of participating in student-led initiatives and extracurricular activities. Joining the student union clubs or participating in contests not only allows you to apply your skills in real-world scenarios, but also fosters collaboration and innovation within a supportive peer network. I'm from the statistics department and my department has organized various events catered to our field of interest. We've also had multiple alumni sessions where we can have first-hand conversations with students who've graduated from the department and learn more about their experiences. Via email, we also receive notifications about upcoming internship and full-time opportunities, as well as data hackathons and contests through which we can refine our technical skills. By leveraging these resources and actively engaging with all opportunities that the LSE has to offer, you can confidently step into the professional world because you will not only have academic knowledge but also demonstrated practical skills. My strong suggestion would be to thoroughly explore your interests while you're here and seize all these opportunities. I wish you all the best as you embark on your journey to a fulfilling and successful career.